channel JV the Mentor. Now, continuation of the compound angles. Today, exercise 6C. First one, simplify the following. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. దీంట్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం cos 100 degrees cos 40 degrees plus sin 100 sin 40 degrees. Sin 40 degrees. Okay. Cos 100 cos 40 plus sin 100 sin 40. Here cos 100 sin 100. Here cos 40 sin 40. It is of the form cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Solution. We know that cos A cos B plus sin A sin B equal to cos of A minus B. Second formula andi. Cos of A minus B ante cos A cos B plus sin A sin B kada. Now in reverse order cos A cos B plus sin A sin B can be written as cos of A minus B. Now the given problem is this form. Here A is 100 degrees, B is 40 degrees. So therefore, cos 100 degrees, cos 40 degrees plus sin 100 degrees, sin 40 degrees equal to, this can be written as cos of A minus B, cos of 100 degrees minus 40 degrees. 100 minus 40, that is 60 degrees. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, no? Problems, almost all problems, total problems in this exercise depending on formulas. Okay, no? ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ లో మనం చెప్పుకున్నామండి. ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ డిపెండ్ చేసుకునే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఓన్లీ వన్ స్టెప్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఫార్ములా తెలిస్తే ఓన్లీ వన్ స్టెప్ లో ప్రాబ్లం రాసుకోవచ్చండి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, దీంట్లోనే ఫస్ట్ లోనే సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం. సెకండ్ వన్, cot 50 degrees, cot 55 degrees, cot 35 degrees minus 1 by cot 55 degrees plus cot 35 degrees. Okay na? ఏ ఫార్ములా అండి? cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. Okay na? Cot of A plus B. So here A is 45 degrees, B is 35 degrees. This can be written as cot of A plus B. 55 degrees plus 35 degrees that is cot 90 degrees, that is 0. Cot 90, that is tan 90 infinity, 1 by infinity 0. Okay, na? Cot 90 is 0. Next, third one, tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta. Tan pi by 4 plus theta, tan pi by 4 minus theta. Simplify this. Now applying tan of a plus b formula and tan of a minus b formula. What is tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. What about tan of a minus b? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, na? Here a is 45 degrees, b is theta. This equal to tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan theta into tan of a minus b expansion. Tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Okay, now what is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is 1. Now substitute the value of tan pi by 4. Here 1 plus tan theta by, here 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan theta into, here tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan theta, that is tan theta. Tan theta. Okay, na? Now in numerator, here this is 1 plus tan theta, this is 1 plus tan theta cancel. This is 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta cancel. That will be 1. Okay, na? The value is 1. Next, we will go to next problem. Fourth one, tan 75 degrees plus cot 75 degrees. Okay, now tan 75 plus cot 75. Already we are calculated the values of tan 75. Once again, we calculate tan 75 and then cot 75. How to find tan 75? Okay, now solution. Tan 75 degrees. 75 degrees can be written as 45 plus 30 degrees. Okay, na? 75 is unknown degree. This unknown degree can be written as the sum or difference of two known degrees. 45 and 30 degrees are known degrees. So 45 plus 30 is 75. Now applying tan of a plus b formula. Tan of a plus b formula. Tan 45 degrees plus tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan 45 degrees tan 30 degrees. Now substitute the values of tan 45 and tan 30. What is the value of tan 45 degrees? Tan 45 degrees is 1. 1 plus tan 30, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan 45 is 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, na? 1 plus 1 by root 3. Taking LCM in numerator. Here LCM is root 3. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Now taking LCM in denominator also. Here denominator LCM is root 3. Here 1 into root 3, root 3. Minus 1. Denominator root 3 cancel. Then we have root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. This is tan 75. Therefore, tan 75 degrees equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay now? Now what about cot 75? Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta kada? Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So, cot 75 degrees equal to 1 by tan 75 degrees. 1 by tan 75 degrees. Okay, 1 by రాసినట్లయితే then we have root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay, na? 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 numerator. This is cot 75 degrees. Now we will find tan 75 plus cot 75, adding these two values. Okay, now. Now, therefore, tan 75 degrees plus cot 75 degrees equal to, what is the value of tan 75? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Plus, what is the value of cot 75? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay, no? Now taking LCM, here LCM is root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Now here root 3 plus 1 multiplying with root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 whole square plus here root 3 minus 1 multiplying with root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1 whole square. Okay, na? Now here a plus b whole square expansion. A square root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square is 3 plus 1 square 1 plus 2ab. 2 into root 3. 2 root 3. Here plus a minus b whole square. A square root 3 whole square is 3 plus b square 1 minus 2ab minus 2 root 3 by denominator. Here a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Here root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Minus 1 square. Okay, na? Next. Okay. Constant here. Numerator plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 cancel. Okay. 3 plus 1 4. Here 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 4 plus 4 8. This is equal to 8 divided by root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. 8 by 3 minus 1 2. 8 by 2 that is 4. Okay, no? So the value of tan 75 plus cot 75 is 4. Okay, write out. Next we will go to next problem. Second problem. Second one, express the following. Second law first problem. Express root 3 cos 25 degrees plus sin 25 degrees by 2 as a sine of angle, as a sine of angle as a sine of angle. That means this value can be expressed as sine of some angle. Sine of some angle. Okay na? Write down. Solution. The given expression root 3 cos 25 degrees plus sin 25 degrees by 2. Okay na? Now split the two terms in numerator. This will be written as root 3 cos 25 by 2 plus sin 25 by 2. Okay na? So this can be written as root 3 by 2 cos 25 degrees plus sin 25 by 2. So that can be written as 1 by 2 sin 25 degrees. 1 by 2 sin 25 degrees. Sin లో ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ రాయాలండి. సైన్ లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి అంటే మన ఫార్ములా ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి sin A cos B plus cos A sin B expansion లో రాయాలి. sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. Now the value of root 3 by 2 for sine angle. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay na? Sin 60. Root 3 by 2 can be written as sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees. Here cos 25 degrees plus E 1 by 2 can be written as in the angle of cos. Cos of the angle. 1 by 2 can be written as cos of the angle. What is the cos of angle? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60 degrees into sin 25 degrees. Okay? ఈ root 3 by 2 ని in terms of in sin of angle, ఈ 1 by 2 ని cos of angle లో రిప్రజెంటేషన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఏ ఫామ్ లో వచ్చిందో చూడండి. See this expression sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin of A plus B. So sin of A plus B, here A is 60 degrees plus B is 25 degrees. So this equal to sin of 85 degrees. 60 plus 25 degrees, 85 degrees. Okay, write down. అదే ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ అన్నాం అనుకోండి, కాస్ ఆఫ్ ది యాంగిల్ అన్నాడు అనుకోండి, కాస్ లోకి కన్వర్షన్ రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ సైన్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి సైన్ లో కన్వర్షన్ రాశాను. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. సెకండ్ Second one, express cos theta minus sin theta as a cosine of angle, as a cosine of angle, cosine of angle. Cosine means cos of angle. ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏం చేసాము, సైన్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ రాసామండి. ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం లోనేమో సైన్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ రాసాము, ఇక్కడ కాస్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ లో రిప్రజెంటేషన్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, రైట్. ఇక్కడ ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం లో న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ కూడా వాల్యూ ఇస్తున్నాడండి, అందుకని స్ప్లిట్ చేసాము. ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ వాల్యూ ఏమి ఇవ్వాల, డినామినేటర్ వాల్యూ ఇవ్వకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి అనేది మనం ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం. సొల్యూషన్ cos theta minus I sin theta. It is of the form A cos theta minus B sin theta, or plus or minus B sin theta. Okay. Now the given expression is of the form, then we divide numerator and denominator by root of a square plus b square. We divide both numerator and denominator by root of a square plus b square. A is the coefficient of cos theta, b is the coefficient of sin theta. Okay now, write down. In the given expression, here cos theta, the given expression is cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Here A is 1, B is 1 or minus 1. Now dividing on both sides, dividing n numerator and denominator by root of a square plus b square. Dividing both nr and dr by root of a square plus b square. Here a is 1 square plus minus 1 whole square, that is root 2. 1 square 1 minus 1 whole square is also 1. Root of 1 plus 1 2, root 2. Okay now. Now this can be written as cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 into cos theta minus sin theta by root 2. Okay na? Numerator 2 root 2 చేత multiply చేశాను, denominator root 2 చేత multiply చేశాను. Then the value of cos theta minus sin theta is not changed. Okay na? Write down. Now this equal to root 2 into, now split these two terms. Cos theta minus sin theta by root 2. Cos theta by root 2 minus sin theta by root 2. Now this can be written as cos theta into 1 by root 2 minus sin theta into 1 by root 2. Cos theta into 1 by root 2 minus sin theta into 1 by root 2. Now this equal to root 2 into cos theta, now 1 by root 2 for what value of cosine of the angle 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degrees, cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Okay? Cos 45 degrees in radians 5 by 4. Cos 5 by 4 minus sin theta into 1 by root 2. Sin 5 by 4. Okay? Cos 5 by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sin 5 by 4 is also 1 by root 2. 1/√2 ప్లేస్ లో cos π/4 రాసాం, ఇక్కడ 1/√2 ప్లేస్ లో sin π/4 రాసాం. Then we will get, we have cos theta cos π/4 minus sin theta sin π/4. It is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos of A plus B. Here minus వస్తే plus వస్తుంది, plus వస్తే minus వస్తుంది. So this can be written as √2 into cos of theta plus π/4. Here A is theta, B is π/4. Cos of A plus B. Write down. Okay? Next, చూడండి, as a cosine of angle. Cosine, that means cos of angle. So cos of angle is theta plus π/4. Okay? Write down. నెక్స్ట్ దీంట్లో థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం. Express tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Tan theta in terms of tan alpha. If sin of theta plus alpha equal to cos of theta plus alpha. Cos of theta plus alpha. Okay, no? Here given condition is sin of theta plus alpha equal to tan of cos of theta plus alpha. Now express tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Okay, no? Write down. And that means the value of tan theta in terms of tan alpha only. Tan alpha alone. Okay, no? Write down. Now taking the given condition. Solution. What is the given condition? Sin of theta plus alpha equal to cos of theta plus alpha. Okay na? ఈ కాస్ ని ఈ సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే డినామినేటర్ వస్తుంది, అప్పుడు అక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే 1 వస్తున్నది, అప్పుడు సైన్ బై కాస్ ఏమవుతుంది, tan అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో దిస్ ఇంప్లైస్ sin of theta plus alpha by cos of theta plus alpha equal to 1. Now sin by cos is tan. Tan of theta plus alpha equal to 1. Okay. Now in here it is of the form tan of A plus B. Here A is theta, B is alpha. Tan of A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. Tan theta plus tan alpha by 1 minus tan theta tan alpha equal to 1. Cross multiplication చేయండి. Tan theta plus tan alpha equal to ఈ 1 minus tan theta tan alpha ఈ సైడ్ వస్తుందండి. 1 into 1 minus tan theta tan alpha, that is 1 minus tan theta tan alpha. Okay, no? Now we express tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Okay, no? And tan theta అన్ని కూడా one side, tan alpha అన్ని కూడా another side తీసుకెళ్ళండి. ఈ tan alpha RHS side తీసుకెళ్ళండి, ఈ tan theta tan alpha ఈ సైడ్ తీసుకురండి. సో tan theta ఈ మైనస్ tan theta tan alpha ఈ సైడ్ వస్తే ప్లస్ tan theta tan alpha ఈక్వల్ టు RHS లో 1 ఉన్నది, ఈ tan alpha సైడ్ పోతే మైనస్ tan alpha. మైనస్ tan alpha. ఓకేనా? ఈ 2 టర్మ్స్ లో కామన్ టర్మ్ ఏమున్నదండి? tan theta కామన్ తీసేయండి. tan theta కామన్ తీస్తే హియర్ 1 ప్లస్ tan alpha ఈక్వల్ టు 1 minus tan alpha. So therefore tan theta equal to E1 plus tan alpha denominator కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. This implies tan theta equal to 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. Okay na? So express tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Okay, write down. ఏం చేసామంటే ఇక్కడ once again here this is the given condition. Cos of theta plus alpha రైట్ సైడ్ వచ్చేస్తే డినామినేటర్ కి వస్తుంది. LHS లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ వచ్చినట్లయితే డినామినేటర్ కి వస్తున్నది. సో దట్ ఈస్ RHS is 1. Sin theta plus alpha by cos theta plus alpha equal to 1. Sin by cos is tan. Tan theta plus alpha equal to 1. Tan of A plus B expansion. Tan theta plus tan alpha by 1 minus tan theta tan alpha. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసాం. ఈ tan theta tan alpha LHS సైడ్ వస్తే ఇది tan alpha సైడ్ అయితే మైనస్. ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ లో tan theta కామన్ తీసామండి. ఫైనల్ గా 1 plus tan alpha LHS సైడ్ ఆ సైడ్ పోతే డినామినేటర్ కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అనమాట. tan theta equal to 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. Okay, write down. Okay students, if you like these videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel JV the Mentor. Okay na? Thank you.